New York City transforms into a real-life Christmas movie every December. From glowing skyscrapers to festive markets to breathtaking light shows, the holiday season in NYC is simply unmatched. In today's video, we're counting down 10 magical things you absolutely must experience if you're visiting New York City for Christmas. So grab a hot chocolate, bundle up, and let's dive into the holiday magic.
Number 1. Visit the Rockefeller Center Christmas tree. The Rockefeller tree is the crown jewel of Christmas in NYC, and seeing it in person feels like stepping onto a movie set. As you approach the plaza, the massive, sparkling tree towers above the crowd, glowing with thousands of LED lights. This tradition dates back to the 1930s. And every year, the tree is carefully selected and transported from somewhere across the U.S. Just below it is the iconic ice skating rink, one of the most romantic winter spots in the city. The golden angels, festive music, and energy of Rockefeller Center are perfect for holiday photos. If you're filming or taking pictures, nighttime is when the tree truly shines. One pro tip: expect crowds. But honestly, that's part of the magic. This is Christmas in New York at its finest.
Number 2, watch the Saks Fifth Avenue Light Show. Right across from Rockefeller Center, Saks Fifth Avenue puts on a spectacular LED light show that transforms its entire building. Every few minutes, music blasts across Fifth Avenue as the facade comes alive with color and animation. Each year, the theme changes, so there's always something fresh and unexpected. Crowds gather along the sidewalks, mesmerized by the synchronized lights. For filming, the best vantage point is directly across the street, where you can capture the full display. It's loud, festive, and totally over the top. Exactly what you want from a New York Christmas moment. The show repeats continuously, so don't worry about missing it. It's a must-see stop right after the Rockefeller tree.
Number 3. Explore the Bryant Park Winter Village. Bryant Park becomes a cozy European-style Christmas village right in the heart of Midtown. The skating rink, one of the biggest in the city, is often free if you bring your own skates. Surrounding the ice are dozens of small holiday shops selling art, ornaments, and handmade goodies. The food stalls are incredible. Think hot chocolate, fresh waffles, gourmet soups, and global street foods. Skyscrapers light up the night sky, creating a festive, intimate winter atmosphere. You can also rent heated igloos for a warm retreat with great views of the rink. This is a perfect spot for filming detailed shots of gifts, treats, and bustling crowds. Bryant Park is where Christmas magic meets New York energy.
Number 4. Stroll through the Dyker Heights Christmas lights. Head to Brooklyn for one of the most jaw-dropping holiday light displays you'll ever see. Dyker Heights is famous for its massive, over-the-top decorations. Think 20-foot Santas, glowing snowmen, and entire houses wrapped in lights. Homeowners here go all in, turning the neighborhood into a walk-through wonderland. The best time to visit is after dark, when everything is lit up beautifully. You can explore on your own or join a guided tour. It's amazing either way. This is a great place to film reactions and capture the warmth of a festive community. Expect crowds, but that adds to the charm and excitement. If you love Christmas lights, this is paradise.
Number 5. Watch the Radio City Christmas Spectacular. For classic holiday entertainment, nothing beats the Christmas Spectacular starring the Rockettes. This legendary show features precision dancing, dazzling costumes, and unforgettable holiday scenes. Iconic moments like the March of the Wooden Soldiers and the live nativity have been tradition for decades. Inside, Radio City Music Hall glows with vintage Art Deco beauty, worth seeing all on its own.
Shows often sell out, so encourage viewers to grab tickets early. This is a perfect segment to highlight NYC's timeless holiday traditions. Whether you're into dance, theater, or Christmas nostalgia, this show delivers it all. It's a holiday experience you'll remember forever.
Number 6. Walk the holiday displays on Fifth Avenue. Fifth Avenue becomes a glittering runway of holiday creativity every December. Luxury stores unveil elaborate, themed window displays that feel like miniature worlds. You'll find animatronics, snowy scenes, and whimsical storytelling frozen behind the glass. This stretch is perfect for slow, cinematic walk-through shots. The sidewalks filled with visitors admiring the artistry and feeling the holiday cheer. Each year brings new designs, making it worth revisiting annually. The energy is electric, festive, and full of awe. Finish the walk at Central Park for an effortless transition into winter serenity.
Number 7. Experience the Central Park holiday atmosphere. Central Park transforms into a peaceful winter escape during the holidays. Carriage rides clip-clop through snow-covered paths, creating a romantic movie-like feel. Iconic spots like Bow Bridge and Bethesda Terrace become picture-perfect winter backdrops. Woolman Rink offers scenic skating surrounded by the Manhattan skyline. Hot chocolate stands pop up around the park for warm, sweet breaks. This is the perfect place to film calm, cozy moments that contrast with the busy city streets. The combination of nature and city lights creates a unique holiday atmosphere. It's classic New York Christmas, pure and simple.
Number 8. Visit the holiday train show at the New York Botanical Garden. Head up to the Bronx for one of the most unique holiday attractions in the city. The Holiday Train Show features miniature trains traveling through tiny replicas of NYC landmarks. Every building is crafted from natural materials: bark, leaves, twigs, and acorns. The exhibit is inside a warm greenhouse, making it a cozy escape from the cold. Kids and adults love the detail that goes into each tiny creation. It's a great place to film close-ups of intricate models and moving trains. Tickets can sell out fast, so booking ahead is smart. This is Christmas creativity at its finest.
Number 9. Shop at the Union Square Holiday Market. Union Square hosts one of NYC's most beloved holiday markets every winter. Here, you'll find local artists, handmade gifts, and unique holiday treasures you can't get anywhere else. The stalls are colorful, lively, and full of festive scents and sounds. Street performers often play music, adding to the warm community vibe. Around sunset, the lights turn the entire market into a glowing winter wonderland. Food vendors serve delicious treats, from donuts to empanadas to hot cider. It's the perfect place to pick up meaningful holiday gifts. Your viewers will love the cozy, bustling atmosphere. Lastly, number 10. Check out the rink at the Seaport District. Wrap up your Christmas adventure at the Seaport District's waterfront rink. Skaters glide under bright lights with views of the East River and Brooklyn Bridge. The vibe here is relaxed and stylish, less crowded than Midtown, but just as festive. Colorful installations and photo ops line the paths, perfect for social media moments. Seasonal pop-ups offer warm drinks and cozy treats along the water. This is an ideal place to film sweeping shots of the skyline at sunset. Holiday music fills the air, tying the whole scene together. It's a fresh, modern addition to NYC's Christmas lineup.
And that wraps up 10 magical things to do in New York City at Christmas. Whether you're skating by the skyline, exploring festive markets, or watching the lights dance across Fifth Avenue, New York City truly comes alive during the holidays. If you enjoyed this guide, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment which Christmas activity you're most excited to try. Thanks for watching, and happy holidays from New York City.